This is question number 5 on homework number 11. So this question says, what is the perimeter of the triangle? Now, before I wrote this 5, there was nothing labeled, but we do see that there's grid marks behind this triangle. So we know we have a right triangle. We see that. This is a right angle right here. And to find the perimeter, we know we need to add up all the sides. These two sides are going to be pretty easy to figure out because we can just count the squares that are there. This one would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so that's why I labeled 5. This side right here would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Gets us to the very end, so the bottom's going to be 12. Now, since this is on a diagonal, we can't just count squares. So, again, if we use our rule, I have a right triangle, I have a missing side. We can find that missing side using the Pythagorean theorem. So I'm going to say a squared plus b squared equals c squared. My c squared, let's figure that one out first. That's going to be my hypotenuse. If I draw a line from the right angle, that's our missing side. So I can just keep that as c squared. A squared and b squared, doesn't matter what order you put them in. I'm going to keep the smaller one as a, but you'll get the same answer regardless of how you do it. So 5 squared plus 12 squared. I'm going to draw my line so I can keep things straight here. I'm going to expand these. So 5 squared would be 5 times 5, and 12 squared would be 12 times 12 equals c squared. 5 times 5 is going to be 25, plus 12 times 12 would be 144 equals c squared. 25 plus 144, I'm going to go ahead and do over here. 144 and 25. 4 plus 5 would be 9. 4 plus 2 would be 6, and carry down the 169. So that's c squared. To solve for c, which is my missing side, I need to take the square root of both sides, and I'm left with c is 13. So if you look back at the question, it says, what is the perimeter of the triangle? So this is not the perimeter. We were solving for that missing side. So this side is 13. Perimeter means we need to add up all the sides. So add those either on your paper or in a calculator and go ahead and write your answer right here.